I guess you could call it a comeback. Yippee-ki-yay, cowboy with a drum pad.
Riding season in Utah is finally here. I haven't posted in a while, but I have been busy working on the Road Glide. I had my whole bike torn apart and I replaced the entire front end with an inverted front end from Super Gear Performance, including triple tree, forks, and these really nice radial brake calipers. Also from Super Gear Performance, these really nice carbon fiber bag lids and carbon fiber rear fender. And as you can see, the bike is no longer black. I replaced all the black pieces with Advent Black, this super cool metallic purple color. On my way to Sturgis last year, I tipped my bike over in some gravel and I messed up my fairing. Me and the team at Advent Black decided to go with this really cool purple color. It's got a gold flake in it, so it's really cool when it hits the sun right. It almost gives the bike this like brown copper color. It looks super rad while riding. I can't thank Super Gear Performance or Advent Black enough for teaming up with me to make this happen. I'm just super stoked on how this bike looks, how it handles, how it feels. This bike has come a long way since I first bought it.
The rail. You're looking at the rail. Okay, this how it goes down. Kick in the door, they said we too loud. I got the bass to shake the whole crowd. What we got in store, gon' have them like, wow. Why you tryna bite my style? I got a paralegal on the squad right now. Wow, I can put the pro in profound. When you at the top, this is exactly how it sounds. Tell her run it up, tell her run it up.
I can't find this flavor in sugar-free anymore. Did they stop making it, or am I crazy and they never made this in sugar-free? Someone let me know. My goal today is to get some pictures and videos of the Road Glide that I can share on Instagram, but that task has been a little harder than I thought it would be. Again, I just don't know if pictures and videos will ever do this thing justice. If you do want to see this thing in person, it'll be at the 2-Bit Show May 16th in Ogden, Utah. Now that I've had a chance to ride the bike and really put it through its paces, I have to say I'm thoroughly impressed with this whole front end. I had really good suspension on my bike beforehand, so this isn't an upgrade from stock. So the biggest thing that I've noticed with the inverted front being more rigid, I feel like I have more confidence in tighter corners and carrying more speed. If you were to upgrade from your stock suspension to this suspension, it would be a world of difference. And personally, I think suspension is super overlooked on Harleys. You see a lot of people putting as much power as they can down without upgrading the brakes, without upgrading the suspension. And to me, I feel like that's a little backwards. I feel like you should be able to handle your bike and stop your bike before you start throwing a ton of power behind it. But that's just me. Speaking of braking power, these radial brake calipers from Super Gear Performance are money. Not only do you get more stopping power, but you get a lot more modulation. So you kind of feel how much pressure you need to give or not give. It gives you a lot more rider feedback when you're engaging the front brakes. So all around this front end, the forks, the triple tree, and the radial brake calipers, 10 out of 10. Absolutely dialed. I'm so stoked on it. I love the way it looks. I love the way it handles. I love the way it feels. I have a lot of confidence riding with this setup. Now moving to the back of the bike, we've got the carbon fiber bag lids and the carbon fiber rear fender, also from Super Gear Performance, also 10 out of 10. I didn't need to drill any holes. I didn't need to make any modifications. Everything just fit perfectly how it's supposed to. And it really just takes this bike to the next level for me. I think it just looks really good. I think it really complements the purple that's on the bike. Neither of them take away from each other. I think they both just complement each other. And I think it just looks dialed. Maybe I'm biased because this is my Harley, but I think it's spot on. Honestly, I don't know what I can say about this paint that I haven't already said. It looks so good. I'm so stoked on it. But I have to give another compliment to Advent Black. Everything fit super well. I don't have any weird gaps. Everything just fit on the bike perfect. They have it so dialed in. The only thing is I really can't capture how good this looks on camera. It's a totally different bike in person. And it's so sick. But to be 100% transparent, I'm not being paid by Advent Black or by Super Gear Performance. Everything that I've said is my own opinion. But if you do want to check out Advent Black or Super Gear Performance, I'll leave links in the description below. I'm honestly just so stoked on this color though. I'm so stoked on the way the bike turned out. It's actually crazy. You can just replace the whole body on your Harley for cheaper than getting your Harley painted. And that's with a cutout tank, the FXR style side covers, the cut bags. Like, this bike just looks so sick for half the price of getting your bike fully custom painted. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let me know what you think about the bike. Let me know what you think about this video. It's kind of a new style that I'm trying. Let me know if you guys dig it. But with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bop, bop, bop. I don't want to kick my camera. See ya.